welcome back to the channel for watching these videos. We're back at the 1969 Ferry Creek Yacht, 65 foot. Just a very brief update today, because as you can see there's lots of activity going on. We just want to show you some things that have changed in the last few weeks as things are getting built out. So if we go inside, all this interior is still up. And you can see that the reason why we've got loads of kit coming in, but a whole bunch of the services is coming up. So I believe they've got some people in here most days now doing all the wiring. If we go forward, so this berth is being built out. I think you saw that in the previous video. Just starting to line what's going to be storage. The heads compartment is still a work in progress. Everything else you've seen already. So you've got the forward compartment, sail locker through here. Let me just go through. I'm not sure if you can see it. So that's the sail locker. No, not enough light in here. You've seen this head compartment. You've already seen this bedroom. Storage under what's going to be the mattresses and stuff. And I'll show you outside as well in a second, because there's been a lot of fairing going on of the hull before that gets painted. But it's out back here towards the aft end of the boat where there's been a fair bit of progress since last time we were here just a few weeks ago. Insofar as hanging lockers being built. On this side you've got some lockers that have already been built. And under here you've got some storage area. I've got two of those here. So it looks like this has also been cleared out a lot more since the last video. So work's happening here as well. But let's go outside and let's just take a quick look at the hull, because there's been a lot of work going on around here. Lots of final fairing going on in that compound. So let's take a turn around this way, I think. So as you can see, mega smooth. In fact, let's go down this way first. So you can see in the last video you had big patches of red filler and bonding stuff going in. If we go around here, let's just have a walk around, see what's different there. So yeah, lots of work going on now, fairing out the hull. Gingerly walking around here because it's just all scaffold boards. Yeah, a ton of work has been going on here, as you can see. So I think it was supposed to have been painted months ago, but obviously for whatever reason it's not quite happened. But you can see that there's been a ton of work going on the hull to put the final finishes to the finish. and it is, and that's smooth. If you go back to the original video for this boat, and you'll see that the ferrocrete that was used in its construction, it looked like a whale's skin, like almost like full of barnacles and everything. Obviously this is the bit that's going to be above the waterline. I'm not sure what they're going to do for the stuff that's going to be below the waterline yet, I don't know, but I'm sure it'll be just as good a quality as what you can see here. And if we carefully walk along, you can see just how much dust is kicked up with all this stuff. They've tried to insulate as much of the dust from coming through as possible, but you're not going to stop all of it. So work continues. And there's the helm station there, fridge and barbecue unit, I believe. It's all going to go on the rear deck. But just a quick video, hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and until next time, take care, bye bye.